Hello guys, let's talk about how to sell your crypto on PayPal. So this is my PayPal feature and this is my PayPal balance and this is my crypto balance. This is BTC. So I want to sell my crypto balance. So just click buy and sell. So this is my crypto current balance. This is an BTC. So I want to sell this BTC. So click buy and sell. Then check it. This is my Bitcoin balance and current value $18.95. So just click to sell. Let's confirm some tax info before you sell. So I need to confirm my tax info. So confirm your US taxpayer status. So now I need to confirm my tax status. This is my all taxpayer status. So this is my full name, PayPal, date of birth. Then now I need taxpayer identification number, SSN or ITIN. So here I inputted SSN number. So just click social security number SSN. So enter 9 digit of SSN. So now I need to click the checkbox. This I am not subject. I am ejecting from backup. All okay. Just click the checkbox by checking this box under separated. So I understand the so I understand and acknowledge that providing my name in those boxes constitute legal signature providing electronically. So now my first name and last name again inputted here, then submitted. So now sell Bitcoin, enter or choose an amount. Now I need to put here my selling Bitcoin amount. So I want to sell my full amount 18.98. So just click full amount, or you can trying to sell all of your Bitcoin. Yes, I want to sell my all my Bitcoin, or you can input any custom amount. So review and sell. So obviously you need to check. Then if all okay, just click the sell now button. Well done, my all are selling completed and all BTC amount are adding my PayPal amount. Let's check by clicking the summary. Okay, click the summary, then wait. Let's check. Well done, my PayPal balance. So my crypto balance are solid and this total crypto balance are adding my PayPal balance. Now I can transfer money to any PayPal account. So you can sell your crypto balance by adding your PayPal balance, then sell this PayPal balance with your friends or any other person. So hope you understand this all processing. Have any question, please comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe me. Thanks for watching.